Creating a lease agreement is not just about rent and duration. It defines responsibilities, usage terms, and what happens if things change. But drafting one often means starting from scratch, editing old documents, or worrying about missing important clauses. Here's how a lease agreement can be generated using AI. Start by visiting www.legitai.com. Open the AI contract generator and type lease agreement, along with your requirements. Within seconds, a well-structured lease agreement is generated automatically. Clear, organized, and ready to use. You can review the document, fill in key details, and save once everything looks right. From there, you can download the agreement directly, or continue with further actions like adding signatories if needed. This is how lease agreements move from an idea to a usable document, faster, simpler, and without unnecessary complexity.